Today, we will learn about hardware and software.
Hi students, we have already learned that a computer is a very useful machine.
Now, let's know the main parts of a computer.
Main parts of a computer.
A computer is a processing device that has different parts. The main parts of a computer, which are important for its proper functioning, can be divided into two groups.
Hardware and software. Hardware.
The hardware of a computer are those parts of a computer which we can see and touch. They are also known as machinery or accessories of the computer system. All parts of a computer are designed to perform a particular task.
The parts of computer hardware can be classified into input devices,
Processing device,
output devices, storage devices. Input devices.
input is the data or instructions required by the computer to work. These instructions are fed into the computer using some devices.
These devices are known as input devices. Given below are some commonly used input devices. Keyboard. A keyboard is the most commonly used input device.
It is similar to the keypad of electronic devices such as mobiles, tablets, etc.
We can feed commands into the computer with the help of the keys present on the keyboard.
Different keyboard layouts. The keyboard layout means how different keys are placed on a keyboard. The different ways of placement of keys helps users to make better use of keyboards for some special purpose like quick typing or playing games.
Some of the keyboard layouts are QWERTY, WASD, Dvorak.
Let us know about them.
QWERTY layout. QWERTY is the most commonly used keyboard. It is used in offices, schools and other places. It generally has 104 keys. The QWERTY is named after the first 6 keys placed on the keyboard, which helps us type fast.
Today, keyboards with more special keys are available in the market.
Knowledge point. QWERTY keyboard is also known as Sholes keyboard. Christopher Sholes had invented devices.
Storage devices are hardware devices which store data like pictures, documents, videos, software, etc. Below given are some of the popular storage devices.
Hard drive.
Hard drive, also known as hard disk, stores and retrieves data on the electromagnetic tapes. It is present inside the CPU cabinet. It stores a specified amount of data and information depending upon its storage capacity.
DVD or digital versatile disc.
DVD is a digital optical disc that stores any kind of data in digital format. It is used to store and transfer data easily. It is round and flat in shape with shiny surface.
It is a portable device. USB drive.
USB Universal Serial Bus.
It is also known as pen drive. It is small, lightweight and portable. It is a removable plug and play device.
This device is used to copy and move data from one device to another device. There are some digital devices which do not have space for USB like MacBook Pro.
Memory card. It is used to store electronic data such as photos, music, movies, games, documents, programs, and more.
It comes in varied storage capacity. Memory cards are often used in portable electronic devices such as digital cameras, mobile phones, laptops, tablets, video game consoles, synthesizers, etc.
Processing device. Central processing unit. It is the most important part of a computer. It is also known as the brain of a computer. It processes all the input data and gives the result. This unit also controls the other parts of the computer. All the parts of a computer are connected to the CPU through wires. The parts of a CPU are Arithmetic and Logic Unit (ALU).
This unit performs all arithmetical and logical operations.
Memory Unit (MU).
This unit stores instructions required for the processing of data. It also stores the results of processing.
Control Unit (CU). This unit works as a traffic policeman.
It controls the working of all the other units such as MU, ALU, and storage devices.
Software.
Software is a set of programs and instructions which guides a computer to perform some specific task. Unlike hardware, we cannot touch the software.
Microsoft Word, TuxPaint, Notepad are a few examples of computer software. Software is of two types. System software. It is a set of programs that control the overall working of a computer. It also manages the link between the different parts of a computer and the user.
Operating system is an example of system software. Just as driver drives the car or a pilot flies the plane. Similarly, an operating system helps to run the computer. It manages all the input and output operations. It is the first program to decide an access for the user in a computer system.
Application software.
The software that helps us to do a specific type of work is called as the application software.
Example: Paint, Games, Word, etc. Chapter Review. The parts or units of a computer are divided into two groups: hardware and software. The hardware of a computer can be touched and seen by us. The hardware of a computer can be classified into input, output, and storage devices. The input devices are keyboard, mouse, microphone, web camera, light pen, scanner, and joystick.
Some of the popular storage devices are monitor, printer, speakers, and projector.
The storage devices are hard disk, compact disk, USB drive, and memory card. The parts of the central processing unit are arithmetic and logic unit, memory unit, and control unit. The software is a set of instructions that enable a computer to work. Software is of two types: system software and application software.
Today, we will learn about Windows 10. Hi friends. Hope you enjoyed your previous session about computer and its types. In this session, we will learn about one important component of computer system, and that is operation system.
Okay, students, let us understand what is an operating system.
A computer completes multiple tasks in a very less time. Have you ever wondered, how does a computer works quickly and accurately? How does a computer process the input given by us? A computer works on a special set of programs or instructions known as operating system. It is an interface between a user and the hardware. A computer cannot work without an operating system. It is the most important part of a computer system. There are many operating systems, such as Windows by Microsoft, macOS by Apple, Android by Google, etc. Windows is the most popular operating system because it has a graphical user interface (GUI) that allows the user to interact with the computer system quite easily through graphical icons, buttons and menus. There are various versions of Windows operating system. In this chapter, we will learn about Windows 10. Let's talk about attributes of Windows 10.
More than one user can use the same computer at the same time. More than one computer can run on a system at a time. It is attractive and easy to use.
It has an improved search tool called Cortana that helps us to find any information on the system or on the internet directly. Windows 10 also has an application called Microsoft Store, where we get free and paid apps.
A new button, Task View, enables us to open multiple desktops at the same time. Students, let us talk about parts of Windows 10. Desktop. The first screen that appears when we start the computer is called the desktop. Icons. The small stamp-like pictures that we can see on the desktop are called icons. Example: icon of Tux Paint, icon of Scratch,
Icon of Microsoft Store.
apps.
The
Let us talk about Windows accessories.
Windows accessories is an essential part of the Windows operating system. It is a group of small programs that helps you in completing day-to-day tasks quickly and efficiently by keeping them more easy and simple. Let us learn about some handy tools that come along with Windows operating system.
Calculator.
Calculator in a computer looks similar to a physical calculator. It is a handy tool used to perform arithmetic and scientific calculations.
Notepad.
Notepad is a simple text editor in which we can create text documents and apply simple formatting such as changing the font style of the text, searching for a particular word, or replacing it with some other word.
Windows Media Player.
Windows Media Player is the default media player in Windows operating system to play audio and video files and to view images. Changing the appearance of desktop. You must have noticed that the appearance of apps, wallpaper, screensaver, etc. is mostly similar on the computer system of your school lab or at your home.
This is because of the default settings of the Windows.
But can we change the appearance of desktop and the other apps? Yes, by simply changing some settings within these items, the appearance of the desktop and other apps can be changed. Let us learn how to customize Windows 10.
Changing the wallpaper.
Wallpaper is a digital image used as a decorative background on the computer screen.
It is also known as the desktop wallpaper or desktop background. Wallpapers can also be seen on mobile phones.
The desktop wallpaper can be set using the following steps.
Step 1. Press the right mouse button on the desktop.
A shortcut menu will appear. Step 2. Select the Personalize option from the context menu. Step 3. The Settings window will open. Step 4. You will observe the background option under the Personalization section is already selected, and the preview of the current wallpaper is displayed on the right pane. Step 5. Now go to the drop-down list under the Background tab and select the Picture option, if not selected. Step 6. Choose the picture from the available list. The chosen picture will be set as a desktop wallpaper.
Setting the screensaver. The screensaver is a computer program that pops up whenever the system remains idle for some time.
It can be an image or some patterns.
Follow the given steps to change the screensaver. Step 1. Press the right mouse button on the desktop.
A shortcut menu will appear. Step 2. Select the Personalize option from the context menu. The settings window will appear. Step 3. Select the lock screen option in the left pane. Step 4. Now, go to the right pane and choose the option Screensaver Settings. The Screensaver Settings dialog box will appear. Step 5. Choose the required screensaver from the available drop-down list under the Screensaver tab. Preview of the selected screensaver will appear on the monitor. Step 6. Click on the Apply button and then click OK. The chosen screensaver will be applied.
Let us quickly have a look on chapter review.
Windows 10 is an operating system designed by Microsoft Corporation. Desktop is the first screen that appears when the computer starts. Start button provides the quick access to the Windows applications. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar usually present at the bottom of the desktop. Icons are small pictures. They help us to identify a particular program or an app. Desktop wallpaper is also called desktop background. Let's talk about making changes in MS Word. Hi friends, you have been made familiar with MS Word application in your previous class. Now, in this class, you will learn a few more features of MS Word.
Introduction to MS Word.
Microsoft Word is the most popular word processors developed by Microsoft Corporation. It allows reading, creating, editing and sharing Word files in an easier and quicker way. MS Word has various versions such as Word 2007, Word 2008, Word 2010, Word 2016 and more. The latest version of MS Word is Word 2019. In this chapter we will study and learn about the features of Word 2016. Uses of Word 2016 Word application helps you to create documents like letters, notices, resumes and many other type of formal documents. Editing of the text after drafting the content.
Format the text to give it a presentable look. Copy and move the text from one place to another.
See the print preview. Components of Word 2016.
Quick Access Toolbar.
As its name implies, the Quick Access toolbar lets you access the frequently used commands quickly. By default, it shows the save, undo, and redo commands and is located at the top left corner of the MS Word window, but you can place it anywhere above or below the ribbon as it is completely customizable.
Title bar.
The title bar displays the title or name of the currently open document or file. By default, a new document opens with the name Document 1.
Tabs.
Tabs are the buttons which contain group of related commands. These commands help the user to perform various tasks in a Word document. Tabs are present below the title bar. When you click on any tab, the commands related to that group get displayed on the ribbon area. When you open the Word document, by default, the ribbon area displays the commands of the Home tab.
Ribbon.
A ribbon is a panel that displays tab commands organized into various groups.
The image given below shows the commands under the Home tab. Several functions like changing font style, size, color, alignment, spacing and more can be done on a document using these commands.
As soon as you click the different tab, you will notice a different set of displayed commands on the ribbon area.
Document area. The document area is the blank white section of the MS Word window.
Whenever we open a new document in Word, a blank white area appears below the ribbon where you can begin typing to create the document.
Status bar.
The status bar is located at the bottom of the document window, just above the taskbar. The left side of the status bar shows the information about the current document we are working on, such as the page number and total number of words in the document. On the right-hand side, you will find the buttons to change the view of the document and the zoom slider control.
Zoom slider.
The Word window contains a zoom slider on the right side of the status bar. It helps the user to reduce or enlarge the size of the document window. Step 1. Click on the Start button and choose the option Word 2016 from the displayed list. Step 2. Word 2016 window will open as follows. Step 3. Select the blank document option. A new blank window will appear. Typing in a Word document.
Tips to type. Tip 1. Give a single space between words and between a punctuation mark and a word.
Tip 2. Press Enter key only after completing a line or a paragraph. Tip 3. To type capital letters, press the Shift key and then press the alphabet key. You can also turn on the caps lock key and type the letter, and then press it again to turn it off.
Tip 4. Keep saving your file regularly.
This will help us not to lose any important data.
Selecting text.
While working in a Word document, there are times when we want to make some changes to our written text, like replacing some word with another one, changing font size, color, etc. Whenever we have to make any changes in the text, we need to select it first and then only make the changes. Let us learn how to select the text in a document.
Selecting a word. Double-click on the word that you want to edit, or place the cursor at the beginning of the word and drag the mouse pointer over the word. Selecting line.
You can use either of the ways given below to select a line. Take the mouse pointer to the beginning of the line and double-click the left mouse button.
Place the cursor at the beginning of the line and drag the pointer over the line. Selecting a paragraph. We can select a paragraph in a document by pressing the left mouse button thrice over the paragraph. Selecting the entire document.
We can select the whole document by placing the cursor at the beginning of the document and pressing the Shift plus Control plus End key.
Okay, now we will talk about undo and redo commands.
Undo command.
Undo command reverses our last action.
Click Show the button here on the Quick Access toolbar. To undo several actions at the same time, click on the arrow next to the Undo button and select the actions in the list.
Redo actions. Redo command repeats our last action. To redo an action you have undone, click Redo on the Quick Access toolbar. Deleting text.
To delete a letter or character in the Word document, place the cursor to the left of the letter or character to be deleted and press the Delete key.
Delete key deletes the text from the right side. To delete a word, select the word to be deleted and press the delete key.
To delete a paragraph, select the paragraph and press the delete key. Okay, now we will learn about how saving a file in MS Word. Saving a file ensures that no work is lost even if any kind of unexpected trouble such as power failure or system failure. To save a file, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on the File tab. The Backstage view will appear. Step 2. Select the Save option. Step 3. The Save as dialog box appears. Step 4. Give the file a file name in the File Name box. Step 5. Click on the Save button. Closing a file. To close a document, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on the File tab. The Backstage view will appear. Step 2. Select the Close option. It will close the document.
Let us quickly have a look on chapter review. Word 2016 is a word processing software designed by Microsoft Corporation.
MS Word allows reading, creating, editing, and sharing Word files in an easier and quicker way.
MS Word interface comprises of quick access toolbar, tabs, ribbons, document area, zoom slider, etc.
To perform editing, we need to first select the text, line or paragraph.
Undo command reverses our last action.
Formatting a Word document. Hi friends! In the previous chapter, you have learnt about the editing features of Word 2016. Now, in today's class, we will explore some formatting features available in Word 2016. Microsoft Word is a popular word processor. It is packed with various interesting features which help the user to create, edit, and format the document easily and effectively. Formatting is a feature of word processor that allows the user to make changes in the appearance of the text and enhance its readability. A user can customize the size, color, and style of the text as per his needs. In the coming sections, we will focus on the following properties to format our document: font face, font size, font color, text case, text alignment, border and shading effect. First, we will talk about font settings. A font is a graphical representation of the text in a computer. It includes features like font style, size, color, or design. All the font-related options are available in the Home tab. These options help in making the document more presentable and readable. For example, applying different font styles to the heading and body of a document makes them well differentiated. Font size. A font is often measured in pt points. In MS Word, we can increase or decrease the size of each character. By default, the font size is 11. The steps to change the font size are as follows. Step 1. Select the text whose font size needs to be changed. Step 2. Click on the drop-down arrow present next to the font size option in the font group on the Home tab. A list displaying different font sizes will appear. Step P3. Choose the desired size from the list by clicking on it and observe the change in the text. Font color. MS Word has a wide variety of colors to choose from. Changing the color of the text makes it more eye-catching. The default font color in MS Word is black. The steps to change the font color are as follows. Step 1. Select the text whose font color needs to be changed. Step 2. On the Home tab, click the Font Color drop-down arrow. The Font Color menu appears. Step 3. Move the mouse pointer over the various font colors. The selected text will temporarily change in color. Step 4. Select the desired font color. The font color will change in the document. Font face. Apart from the font size and color, we can also change the font face of the text. Word has wide variety of font faces or types. By default, the font face is set to Calibre. The steps to change the font face are as follows. Step 1. Select the text whose font face needs to be changed. Step 2. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the font option in the font group on the Home tab. Step 3. Select the desired font from the displayed list and observe the change in the selected text. Step 4. Click on the style you like and notice that the selected text has changed. Font style. We can change the style of the font also. It can be set to bold, italics or underline. Making the text bold. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click the bold button in the font group. The text will become bold. Making the text italics. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click the italics button in the font group. The text becomes tilted. Underline text. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click the underline button in the font group. The text becomes underlined. Text alignment. Alignment is the text's positioning on the page. There are 4 types of alignments. Left alignment. It places the text aligned towards the left margin. By default, text in MS Word is left aligned. Right alignment. The selected text aligns towards the right margin. Center alignment. The selected text aligns at the center, between the left and right margins. Justify alignment. It places the text evenly between the left and right margins. To evenly align the text, press Ctrl plus J keys. It is mainly used in books and newspapers content layout. Applying text alignment. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on the desired alignment button in the paragraph group in the Home tab. Step 3. The text will be as per your chosen option. Change case. Word 2016 offers the following 5 different options to change the case of an existing text. The Change Case menu offers 5 options. Sentence case. It capitalizes the first letter of each sentence. Lowercase. It changes the text from uppercase to lowercase. Uppercase. It capitalizes all the letters of the text. Capitalize each word. It capitalizes the first letter of each word. Toggle case. It reverses the case of each and every letter in the sentence. It will convert a letter written in uppercase to lowercase and a lowercase letter to uppercase. Okay students, now we will talk about borders and shading. Borders and shading effects can also be added to the text to improve the overall appearance of the document. A variety of designs are available in Word 2016 to choose from. The steps to apply borders and shading are as follows. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the Borders button in the paragraph group. Step 3. Click on the Borders and Shading option. The Borders and Shading dialog box will appear. Step 4. Click on the box option under the Settings section. Select the Line Style under Style section. Step 5. Select the line color from the color drop-down list. Step 6. Choose the line width from the width drop-down list. Step 7. Select paragraph option from the Apply to drop-down list. Click OK. The border with the set attributes will around the text. Let us quickly have a look on chapter review. The feature that helps us change the look of the text is called formatting. Font group contains all the buttons related to the changing font properties. You can change the font color, size, and style of the Word document. Text alignment refers to the positioning of the text on a page. There are 4 types of text alignments: left, right, center, and justified. You can apply a border to your paragraph and to the entire document. Change Case menu offers 5 options for changing the case of the text. The change case options are sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case.
Now let us see how to turn on the computer. First of all, we need to turn on the power button. Here you can see we have the mini CPU box. So we will just press the power button of the CPU box. You will see a green light will be shown on the CPU box. This shows that CPU is on. Now let's come to the monitor. When the CPU is on, what we have to do? We have to turn on the monitor switch. Okay? We have to just press the power button of monitor and it will also show you a green light. That means now the monitor is also on. So this way the computer gets on. Now when the computer gets on, it will ask you to enter your password. Here you will see the password screen. You need to type the password. After writing the password, press the enter key. And the first screen of the computer will be shown to you. So this first screen is called desktop. This is Windows 10 desktop. Now let us see how to open an application. We need to just click on the start button and write the name of the application which we want to open. For example, if we want to open MS Paint, we need to just click on the start button and here in the search box we need to write PAINT paint and then click on the paint icon. It will show you the paint application. So now see how to open Microsoft Word. We need to type WORD word in the search box to open Microsoft Word and it will show you Microsoft Word icon. There we need to click on the Microsoft Word icon and it will open. Now let us see how to turn off the computer. To turn off the computer, we don't press any switch. We need to shut it down. So to shut it down, what we have to do? We have to click on the power icon first of all. This power icon you will find in the start button. So click on the start button, then click on the power icon as you can see on the screen. So when you click on the power icon, you will find the option of shutdown. Now click on the shutdown option. So this way we need to shut down the computer. When you click on the shutdown option, you may find this screen which asks you to shut down. You have to click on the OK button here and your Windows will automatically shut down. You can see the shutdown screen here. So after shutting down, your monitor automatically gets off. Monitor and CPU both gets off automatically. Sometimes if any program is running in your computer, it can give you this screen which asks you to close the program. You need to just click on shut down anyway to shut down the computer properly. Okay, so this way we can turn off the computer.